Popole, mana tuya ole. Se fa amole mole, fei mai bele ai. Hoa Popole, matawi asonei. Wa solo vai vai, ai lo fia vai. I've been sitting here in silence, with tears rolling down my face. All I wanted was to see you, standing right here in this place. I gave you real love, everything straight from my soul. And every word that you told me still plays back like an echo. And even now it's still you, you're the one I can't forget. Every part of my heart is yours, yeah, it's still said. Nofo Popole, mana tuya ole. Se fa amole mole, fei mai bele lai. Hoa Popole, matawi asonei. O saulo vai vai, alo fia vai. Maybe something changed between us. Maybe life just pulled us apart. Feels like everything got cloudy, and it's heavy on my heart. Every day I keep on hoping, maybe one day you'll come back, and the dreams we had together won't fade out, won't turn black. Deep inside I still feel you, I still whisper to the star that carries you. Cause no one else I meet ever really feels the same. Nofo Popole, mana tuya ole. Se fa amole mole, fei mai bele ai. Hoa Popole, kaprawi asonei. Wa solo vai vai, ai lo fia vai. Just remember, there's always another day ahead. Sometimes life goes different ways, and we follow where it led. I'm still here, still waiting, just to hear what's on your mind. If you choose to walk away, I'll respect it, I'll be fine. I just wish you peace and healing. Hope your world stays warm and bright. I'll let my feelings rest and leave the rest to the night. Nofo Popole, mana tuya ole. Se fa amole mole, fei mai bele ai. Hoa Popole, matawi asonei. O saulo vai vai.